I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control of inventory. Physically count SKUs and log size, color, and fabric details so you know what moves. Once done, set reorder thresholds, 10 units or 2-week lead time, to avoid stockouts and free up cash. Next, configure your POS categories clearly as men, women, kids, fabrics, and accessories so sales tracking is accurate. Make sure to label fast sellers and slow sellers immediately. This gives you actionable data for ordering and promotions without delay. You optimize the sales floor for conversion. Arrange racks by traffic flow and place best sellers at eye level to increase impulse buys. Simultaneously, apply clear price tags that show margin percentage, care instructions, and barcodes so checkout and inventory sync smoothly. Once staffing is aligned, schedule employees to cover peak hours and assign visual merchandising shifts so displays stay fresh. Make sure to review daily sales reports and rotate stock weekly. This keeps offerings relevant and identifies underperforming SKUs fast. You close the loop by running a weekly P&L that tracks sales, cost of goods sold, gross margin, and payroll to measure profitability and make quick course corrections. Once margins are visible, move slow stock with bundles, targeted discounts, or charitable donations to clear space for new arrivals. Finally, perform a quick audit when numbers don't match. Reconcile POS transactions against physical inventory daily and trace errors to receiving, theft, or data entry. If discrepancies persist, escalate to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.